TMS50e. Oh, that's a good sign over there.
Não, aqui o pessoal ainda não olhou nada não, sabe?
Wow, look at this panel. It's missing the relays. I'm going to. Are these touch sensitive? I don't think so. They seem to be. Could be easy. Very standard cab. Cab lighting. Here we're at 6. KONE. No, this call station doesn't seem to be the best. Directional areas. KONE TMS50e. See if it comes. Like it was maintained by Villard at one point, at least until 2019. Sage. Jesus, there are 3 different brands here. 3 different stickers. Here's the KONE cab, 50e cab. A later 50. This is the more deluxe version. It's actually brass, but where it went out. Let's go down to assess the basement. Here's the light fixture, really nice design. This is the second of this model that I find, or at least the second that has this cap design. Very low handrail, right? It's almost there. My elbow height, my knee height, handrail. 2. P. Shakes a little bit. 2-speed motor. Opa, subindo? Opa, qual andar?
12.
12? Opa, vamos lá. Big fence. É mais aí. really nice. Finding a lot of KONEs recently. It's weird, I never thought we had this many KONEs in here, but even the one in my building is a KONE, so, well, modernized by Otis, but maintenance. Well, cab light is at least good in this one. Big vents, glitchy indicator, and that's an electronic controller, behaves like a relay one. Added combo of these buttons. And here it is. It's a little bit shaky, but a nice little elevator. Indicator. That's gonna be it.